Oh yeah, here we go. Hello, hi Narind. Hey Devin. Yay John. Little boys at the back. Now we're going to look at the village. Where is it? And we're going to zoom in on La Maison. Lots of activity there. Preparation. Oh, there's something biting my neck. Got it. Now we're going to look at the main village of Befotatra. There we go. Some paddies. And here's the hill that goes to... What's the name of the other village? Betoho? No, l'autre village. C'est Betoho?
Okay. Okay.
Betoho. Okay, here's the hill going up, up, up and around, and down the other side. Nestled in this little valley, we have Betoho. Big branch in the way. Change of shot. Excusez-moi. Where is it? There it is. Hard to see in this light. Okay, panorama shot.
Okay.
Continue around. Continue around. There's the expeditionary force.